How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to talk to you guys about how to change your sink drain. This is sink strainer, I guess the drain with the strainer, that. So ours was not draining. First it was clogged because it had a lot of oil, like the head kind of solidified. So I cleaned all the pipes and then it still wasn't working. So I realized that the drain was bad, and I'm glad I changed it because this is what the drain looked like. This one was the left side and it's pretty horrendous. I'm actually going to put this in a bag and keep it so I can show the landlord so they can refund my money. But this one was the right side. It was not that bad. I'm actually going to keep this in this box so I can have it as a reference for if I need to replace it. Now there are different tools that you could use to change this. One of the tools I said that you can get a universal, what is it called? Universal sink drain wrench from Husky's. That's the back of it, and that's the front of it. It was like $12.99 or $13. This is fits hex drain and all 4, 6, and 8 tub lock nuts, work in confined location, soft grip handle, which is all true, but for mine it was way too big. It's not a true universal. It's not, unless I'm not fitting it the right way, but it doesn't fit. It doesn't sit snug because it's too big. So this is the right side, the left side actually, and I'll show you. Okay, so this is my tool. That is this. When you put it in, it goes all the way down. It doesn't stay up here where the lug nut is. So it didn't make sense for me to use that. It didn't work. So that was just a waste of $13. I'm kind of upset, but I think I'm going to keep it. I'm not sure. I have another project I need to do, so I might just keep it. It took me about an hour and 20 minutes to fix it because I did not have the right tools, and I was using, I don't know the name of this tool. Where did it go? My best friend. I'm calling it my best friend. I think it's, what is this? I don't remember the name of this tool. What's the name of this tool? Huh? It's called a monkey wrench. So I used the monkey wrench to loosen it up and tighten it back up. It took forever to do because it kept on sliding out, and it's pretty heavy, and my shoulders got tired, my back got tired. It's very uncomfortable positioning, but I got it done. And once I got it done, I was able to switch it out. You need to get a plumber's putty, which is that. This was like $5 with change. And what else you need? So you need the plumber's putty, and of course if you need only 1 or 2 depending on what your sink needs, but I suggest either take it apart first and then take the unit with you so you can have the right one, or take plenty of pictures. That's what I did. I took plenty of pictures with me, and I was able to get the one that I thought was appropriate for my kitchen, my sink. So it took me about 40 minutes for each side, like between 35 and 40 minutes for each side to fix, because like I said, I didn't have the correct tools. I was taking my time actually doing it, and I did the video showing you guys how to do things, what's what and what's this. So I will try to upload that one, but if that one doesn't work, this is just have to do, because I'm not about to take this apart and redo it again for another video. That's not going to happen. That's no way. But one really important thing is you need to have some form of bucket under you, under the sink, because you will have water everywhere. That's just from experience. So make sure you have a bucket, a big enough bucket that can hold not the water that you think is in the sink. Don't forget that there's also water in the pipes. Yeah, so first, I noticed a few weeks ago that the left side, the bottom part of this, like right here, the bottom part of that was leaking, was dripping. So I wasn't able to like fill water on one side of the sink to like make it like set up and like with soap and stuff like this, so I can use that to wash, and then the other side to rinse, because every time I did that, water will be dripping onto the cabinet. So that was one hint. So I decided to use like a little container thing where I can put my soapy water in, and then I would dump that soapy water onto the other section. So we did that for a while, and then yesterday all of a sudden it just stopped working. I think it's because the left side went completely out, and it was affecting both sides of the sinks, which I don't know why it would affect both sides of the sinks, but it did. And so we had to replace both. And so I told my husband I was the brains and he was the bronze, but we got it done because it was easier for us just to do it today, get it over with today, instead of having to call the landlord, make an appointment. And the last time that we made an appointment for them to come and fix it, they had to cancel twice. And with my schedule, with his schedule working, it was not going to match up. So I was like, you know, I spent $54 on everything, between almost $60 on everything. So either she could give me the cash back, take it out, or like refund me some type of way, or I'm not going to give her the full rent. I'll deduct $60 from it. So I'll figure something out for that. But other than that, I just have a mess sit here. I'm just going to put this stuff back under the sink, and next time I will declutter my under the sink, because I have too much stuff. I have duplicates of everything in there, so I'm gonna have to clean that out. I will bring you along with decluttering my kitchen on a next video. That probably won't be the next couple of weeks, but the next project is, when it comes to fixing, is going to be the dryer in the basement. I don't know when that's going to happen. That might happen for the next couple of weeks as well. It's working fine just now. It just makes noise. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions about your sink that I can answer, go ahead and leave in the comments below. I will leave you guys, I think, 1 or 2 videos that I took as a reference to watch a couple of times before I did this. And other than that, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you soon. Good night. Bye.